Hello everyone, and this is my building of my desk I recently got in the mail. And this is some of the pieces. My guy is helping me put it all together. And first thing you have to figure out is that figure out all the screws. Some of the screws were different labeled, so finding out the screws are really important. This is one part put together. The boards, as you can see, we put the boards up in between, so there's like a cross going back and forth. And importantly, putting the screws together. Now we're putting the tops together. You can clearly see it coming together. This is really important. Now we put the next part in. This is the slide for the keyboard, which I'm really excited about getting a new one for my desk. And here is our finished desk. Nice and sturdy and really helpful. And here is the pullout. Awesome. Thank you. It was super fun to put together and super easy.